So I'm truck spotting at a fishing company in Entebbe. Just looking at the famous machines. I wonder how many horsepower these have got to have to roll in this terrain. Some say the day you learn how to reverse an articulated truck is the day you finish the truck training course. Hello and welcome to the Simon Kawa channel. Stay tuned. I've been watching a few clips online and commenting and reacting on them. Stay tuned. So there's the easy side and the blind side. Easy side because you can see physically with your head out while doing it. The back wheels, you just control them in and out because you can see them. The blind side is the hard side because you can't actually see them. You use the mirror and just imagination. Bang, so one in. So yeah, he goes for the blind one. This is the one where you use the top mirror because it has a wider view. Top mirror, you come out to check if you're not sure. So you can also stretch it to use the usual mirror as well as the top one. See, he's going in slightly, no sharp thing. And smooth and it's over. One in. That's it. So this one's parking in a truck park. I have to watch other trucks, I have to watch the bumpers, mirrors. At that spot right there. It's good he's seated in the right side, he or she is seated in the right side. But if you're not sure, that's the spot to stop and walk out and check the blind side as well as the good side. Many shunts opposing to one sharp shunt as you're learning. Do many little movements rather than assuming you can do it in one go. That's it. Straightening it out. Yeah, it's happened before. One guy has run into my truck when I was on a loading bay. Luckily, I was walking towards the truck after unloading, and I witnessed it. He got it wrong. When I asked them, they said, "Oh, the mirrors, the electronic mirrors, are not working." He didn't bother to look out physically. Shit happens anyway. So another trick of reversing a truck as long as this is to physically walk around it. Before you attempt something, if you're new, walk around it, then you can get a good feel of the length of it. You get me? Walk around it. Walk around it. Then you know what you're dealing with. As you walk, your mind sort of registering the weight of it. Yeah. As simple as walk around it, you will feel the, because trucks are also different length combinations. Sometimes you have a longer trailer, shorter trailer, longer tractor or rig. Short rig, long rig, giant rig. There are certain rigs that look, super like home, the toilet and everything. That rig is longer sometimes than a straight truck. Right, come with me. I'll take you to the lakeside. This is it, lakeside, Entebbe. This is somewhere near Botanical Gardens, the one in the background. Just came to show you the spot. Couple of hotels. Yeah. hotels, and there's a fishing market as well, not a few yards from here. So another trick with the trucks is to walk everything, which means do things at a walking pace rather than a running pace. Move the truck really slowly. What that helps is if you make a mistake and touch something and tap something with the truck, it probably won't be damaged. That's the trick. So do things as though you're walking them, rather than walk things rather than run things, they used to say to me. Okay, one last trick: walk things, don't run things. So move very slowly. Also, get out of the truck, don't be embarrassed, walk out and check physically. Many times it's just like pride, isn't it? The feeling like, people are going to think I'm not a good driver. You just get out, let them think what they want. It's as you learn. The worst thing is bashing things, bashing gates, bashing the building, breaking your truck, entering into another truck. Yeah. Truth be told, I've tapped into another truck before as well. Medway services. Just one of the days you're so tired and maybe it's foggy or whatever. And actually this one had a line marking issue. At Medway services, I don't know whether it's the one going away from, because there are two. Is it the one heading out of town or towards town? One of them has parking spot with line markings that do not fit a truck. So if you're parking according to the line marking, boom, they were made skinny line marking. If you try and fit a truck everywhere that they marked, you would be bashing trucks every day. That's what happened to me that day, but still only just an excuse because I was the driver. Because I was the driver with the same. So yeah, there's a small fish market there. People pass by, get direct fish. So I ain't going to go on and on. Just wanted to speak about reversing a rig, a big rig or articulated tractor, trailer, in all them other different descriptions. We call it the Arctic. Americans call it the semi-truck. We call the tractor the front bit, the tractor unit. They call it the rig, or what else they call it? Yeah, the rig. Anyway, I'm going to leave it at this. Please thumbs up to this video to help it spread. And if you haven't subscribed, it would be nice if you subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell so you don't lose the chance to catch me when I come in unannounced. Alright, I won't lengthen too much. I'm going to say stay safe, God bless, and love. Before you go, there's one last request. If you're looking for another video of the same topic, there's one right here. I'll leave this video that's related to the same topic, reversing and that. Alright, peace.